Welcome to KaaShaif Motivation.
Title: 10 Ways to Make Money Fast. Get ready to discover actionable techniques that can help you boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing and online gigs. In the digital age, there are endless opportunities to earn money by offering your skills and services online. Utilize platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit to showcase your expertise and connect with clients seeking your services. Number 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Tap into the global market by starting your own online store and selling products to customers worldwide. Explore platforms like Shopify or Amazon FBA to set up your store and leverage the power of online selling. Number 3. Stock market investing. Grow your wealth by investing in stocks and participating in the dynamic world of financial markets. Learn about investing strategies, analyze market trends, and consider working with a financial advisor to maximize your returns. Number 4. Real estate rental. Earn passive income by investing in rental properties and leasing them to tenants. Research promising real estate markets, calculate potential returns, and explore property management options to generate steady rental income. Number 5. Content creation and YouTube. Tap into the power of online platforms like YouTube to share your expertise, entertain, and monetize your content. Identify your niche, create valuable content, engage with your audience, and leverage advertising revenue and brand partnerships. Number 6. Consulting and coaching. If you possess specialized knowledge, offer your expertise as a consultant or coach. Market your services, build your reputation, and help others achieve their goals while generating income. Number 7. Online surveys and microtasks. Take advantage of platforms that reward you for completing surveys or small online tasks. Research legitimate platforms, allocate your spare time effectively, and earn extra cash by sharing your opinions or completing simple online tasks. Number 8. Peer-to-peer sharing economy. Utilize the sharing economy by renting out possessions you own but don't use regularly. Platforms like Airbnb or Turo allow you to monetize your assets, such as spare rooms, cars, or equipment. Number 9. Digital product creation. Leverage your expertise and creativity to develop and sell digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or software applications that provide value to your target audience and market them through platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Join affiliate programs, select products aligned with your niche, and leverage your online presence to drive sales and earn money. Remember that these opportunities require effort, dedication, and a commitment to providing value. The path to financial success is within your reach.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.